new construction, it's important to take a look at all aspects of the project from the very beginning. You want to supervise. You want to see what's going on. You want to see if they're using good quality products. You want to see if they're hiding anything, right? You want to see how your project gets put together. Look at that. One solid wall, solid lumber, top to bottom. Beautiful. Right? Look, see, watch. Look at that. Look at that beautiful timber right there. Nice and straight. Look, there's not a lot to show you yet. It's just framing. You should come check it out. Make sure that the framing is being done right. Make sure that you don't have any issues from the start. Oh, look, a little tiny sawhorse. I guess that's a pony horse. Saw pony? Okay, that's why I do contracting and jokes. So anyway, this is it. See how things come together. And you know, it's so helpful for whenever you are having a house built that you plan on living in. It's so helpful to know how things were put together. It's nice to know that, well, when I had this built, they used 2x4s and 2x6 framing, and this is how that's put together. So if I want to add something, take something, do some work, there's an issue, you can see how it was put together. Being able to look at your project top to bottom, inside and out, it's invaluable. You don't get to do that very often. It's pretty neat. Take advantage. Got any questions? You want me to walk you through it, tell you how you should be excited, why you should be excited, what to check for, why you're excited? Feel free to reach out. reiguideservice.com, reiguideservice.com.